Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. Today's video is going to be all about the most underrated beauty products that I use often. These are products that I have fallen in love with. Some of them I've been using for years and I just never hear anybody talk about them. So if you want to hear about the most underrated beauty products that I love, then keep on watching. First product is going to be from Rare Beauty. It is their under eye brightener. Now this came out, I want to say at the end of last year or maybe at the beginning of this year, but I think at the end of 2022. You guys, this is such a good effortless product and I just don't see that many people using it. The way this product works is very similar to a concealer. It does have a little metal sort of ball on the tip of it. You apply dots underneath your eye and then blend it out, and it's supposed to brighten. You can wear it on its own, but it's really sheer. I prefer to use it on top of a concealer underneath the eye, and it just gives you a brightening effect without being heavy. It's so thin and effortless. It blends out in literally like 2 to 3 taps. Such a good product. I use it so much and don't know why I don't hear more people talking about it. Next product is going to be a foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. You guys, this is one of my top favorite foundations. Charlotte Tilbury's most popular foundation is the Flawless Filter Foundation, which is a really good product, and I don't want to take anything away from that product, but this one right here is my favorite foundation from the brand. I just feel like it's so beautiful. I feel my prettiest when I wear this. It blends out really nice and gives you an amazing complexion. You can get full coverage out of it as well. I've heard a few people say that this is a little bit heavy, and I just feel like people don't know how to wear the foundation. This is one of those foundations you only need about a half a pump to 1 pump. I distribute it all over and then I blend, and I just get the perfect complexion. So it does not have to be heavy. It's just in how you apply it. So beautiful, and I think more people need to look into this one. Next product is another foundation, and it is the Westman Atelier Cream Stick Foundation. You guys, such a beautiful product. It gives you the most creamiest buttery finish to the skin, and it's pretty long lasting. This is another product that you don't need a whole lot, and it's super easy to blend. Look at that. Full coverage. So depending on how much you use, you can get like medium to full coverage. Blends so effortlessly and gives you a beautiful skin-like finish. The packaging of this is super top tier. I don't know why I don't hear more people talk about this foundation, or Westman Atelier products in general are just really good. I plan on shopping a little bit more with the brand, but the couple products that I've used so far are phenomenal. I actually have a full review up of this product. I'll go ahead and put the link right there, but this is a really good one. If you have combo skin or dry skin, even oily skin, but if you have super oily skin, you might want to use an oil controlling primer. It doesn't get oily, but about like maybe the 6-hour mark you can see shine, but it looks like a healthy shine. You guys, beautiful foundation. I always get compliments when I wear this one. Seems like I have quite a few foundations on this list, you guys. Next up is the Dior Forever Natural Nude Foundation. This is actually the foundation that I'm wearing today. Such a beautiful foundation, you guys. It's very lightweight and gives you just a natural nude finish. That's the best way to describe it. Dior makes great complexion products in general, and I just feel like I hear a lot of buzz about the Face and Body, about the other foundations that Dior makes. I don't know if it's because this one's not available at Sephora. I did pick this one up from Ulta. It launched about, I want to say 2 to 3 months ago. So pretty. Gives you a super radiant complexion. Gorgeous foundation. You can get maybe like a light to medium-ish coverage from this. So beautiful. If you're somebody that likes a foundation that's sort of sheer, you can get about a medium coverage. Looks so undetectable and just like it looks like you spent time and money on your face when you wear this foundation. Super underrated. Next up is another foundation, you guys. It's actually a CC cream. It's the IT Cosmetics mimics your skin but better CC cream, and that's exactly what it is. It's like your skin but so much better. This foundation is so good. It has a plumping technology in it that just makes your skin look creamy and buttery and super smooth. Another thing that's really good about this foundation is it works so well in the heat. In the summertime, this is a really good one. I wore this foundation to the Houston rodeo. If any of you guys went, you know, it was really hot out there, and through the sweat, through everything, my makeup still looked really good when I left after like 5 or 6 hours. Such a slept on product, such a beautiful foundation. Next up is a product that I've only been using for a couple weeks now. I didn't even know about this, and it's a mascara. This is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. Y'all, this is the quality of the packaging. Let's just start there. It's just a really quality packaging that it comes in. It's just really sturdy and I love it. The wand, it has teeth on both opposite ends and it's flat here, so it really does a great job at separating. The product itself is so smooth and creamy. It coats your lashes very even. So good. The brand sent me this in brown, but I actually bought the mini size in black. I used it on my bottom lashes today. Really good mascara. Next products are some blushes that are really good. I used to use these all the time and I need to get back to them, especially since it's summertime and these colors are perfect for the summer. And it is the e.l.f. Putty blushes. You guys, it comes in the e.l.f. Putty blush, just the regular blush that's like flat shades. So this one's like an orangey shade. And it also comes in the luminous putty blush that has a little bit more luminosity to it. This one's more of a corally shade. Y'all, these blushes are so good, especially for the price. I think they're like less than $10 or around $10. They're so good. The thing I like about these blushes the most is you don't have to worry about it being overly pigmented. I feel like some blushes are so super pigmented that you can only barely tap into it and it just gives you so much color that you're trying to work some of that color out. This deposits the most perfect amount of color. You can get a sheer look with it, and I love how it just gives you like a beautiful wash of color without being too much, but it still shows up so nice. It doesn't get patchy. Y'all, these are really good, super inexpensive, and very much slept on. What this sort of reminds me of, not the way it applies or the texture of it, but the new NARS liquid blushes that blend out so good, the way they kind of go on sort of sheer and you can build them up. This is sort of the best way that I can explain that to you. And also the new Makeup by Mario blushes, how you sort of build up the color and you can get it sort of sheer, but you can sort of build it up to like that medium coverage that gives you the perfect wash of color. That's what this is given, but for a fraction of the price. Next is a brow product, and this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Powder. Y'all, these launched maybe like a couple months ago. I wear the color 3.5. Y'all, this is the most pigmented, super buttery smooth powder. It doesn't skip. The quality of it is amazing. This powder is so good that you wouldn't need a pencil. You wouldn't need like a cream brow product or anything like that. It just holds its own so well. I feel like we kind of got out of using powdered brow products over like the past 5 years or so, but this is really good and it's super effortless and easy. If you want to do those sort of 5-minute or 10-minute makeup looks where you just want to hurry up and get your look done, or even if you're doing a full-on beat, y'all, this one's really good. Definitely worth a try. Next up is a product that I rarely hear people talk about, hardly ever see it on social media, and it's the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Liner. You guys, this is such a great product. I cannot say enough good things about this product. This is the best sort of felt tip liner pen that I've ever used before. It goes on so black and smooth and easily. Y'all, it doesn't skip. I've used some liner pens in the felt tip like this that go on the skin effortlessly like this, but then when you try to use it over eyeshadow, it sort of skips or it's not as opaque. Y'all, this one is just as opaque over your shadows and powder products as it is on bare skin. So smooth and effortless. The packaging is so cute. This sort of cream color with the gold tip on the end and then the pointy end there. I just think it's so sleek and chic and modern, and this is a really good product, you guys. I highly recommend. So that's it for my most underrated products. Comment down below, let me know what are some of those products that you use that you hardly hear anybody talk about. What is a product that you recommend? Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't